Hello guys, in this video we will see what is the offline mod error and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step on understanding the cat. Offline mod error. Content. The offline mod error in cat typically appears when the game or the Rockstar Games Launcher cannot establish a proper connection to Rockstar servers, even if the user's internet appears to be working. This often prevents players from launching the game entirely or accessing online features, sometimes even impacting single-player mod. If the initial authentication fails, it can manifest with messages like Social Club failed to load due to an incomplete installation offline mod, or the launcher getting stuck on loading or authenticating. This error primarily indicates an issue with connectivity, server access, or corrupted local file settings, preventing the game from verifying ownership or retrieving necessary data.
Step: verify internet connection and Rockstar Games Launcher status. Content. Before proceeding with complex fixes, ensure your internet connection is stable and functional by opening a web browser and visiting several websites. If your internet is working, close the Rockstar Games Launcher completely, including from the system tray, and then restart your PC. After restarting, launch the Rockstar Games Launcher again, right-clicking its icon and selecting Run as Administrator. This ensures the launcher has necessary permissions. Check if the launcher itself has any pending updates, as outdated versions can cause connectivity issues. Also confirm that Rockstar servers are not experiencing outages by checking their official support page or social media, as server downtime can trigger this error independently of your local setup. Step: check game file integrity and antivirus firewall settings. Content: corrupted game files are a frequent cause of launch errors. Open the Rockstar Games Launcher, navigate to tab, then your library, click the gear icon, settings, and select verify integrity of game files. This process will scan and repair any damaged or missing game files, which can often resolve the offline mod issue. Simultaneously, your antivirus or firewall software might be mistakenly blocking the game or launcher's connection to the internet temporarily. Disable your antivirus firewall or add exceptions for KTX, Launcher, and Rockstar Games Launcher and attempt to launch the game. If this resolves the issue, you'll need to configure your security software to permanently allow these applications.
Step: update graphics drivers and operating system content. Outdated graphics drivers can sometimes interfere with game launch processes, leading to unexpected errors, including those that manifest as connectivity issues. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and/or Intel, and download the latest drivers compatible with your GPU and operating system. Perform a clean installation of these drivers if the option is available. Additionally, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Go to Settings, Update Security, Windows Update, and check for and install any pending updates. System updates often include critical fixes and compatibility improvements that can resolve underlying conflicts causing the offline mod error. Step: reinstall Rockstar Games Launcher and your tab of content. If the previous steps do not resolve the problem, a clean reinstallation of the Rockstar Games Launcher and potentially itself may be necessary. First, you install the Rockstar Games Launcher via Add or Remove Programs in Windows Settings. Then manually delete any remaining Rockstar Games folders from Program Files and Program Files. Download the latest version of the launcher from Rockstar's official website and install it. If the error persists, consider uninstalling tab through the launcher or Windows settings, then deleting any residual game files from your installation directory before performing a fresh download and installation of the entire game. This ensures no corrupted files or settings from previous installations are causing the conflict.